Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this video on Troy. Wanted to make a full video on that since, well, first of all, the price of Troy has been super bullish. The volume has been amazing as well. The volume is up 8,000%. And good news, most of that volume is actually coming from credible sources. Now, does that mean that I think this whole move is not manipulated? No, I think there's probably some manipulation in Troy and in the price of Troy right now. But apart from that, and as most of you know, if you're watching this video, there's some very good news for Troy as well, specifically. So we'll cover that, we'll talk about that. But apart from that, we'll also talk about the price, just everything you need to know on the fundamental side of things, but also the technical side of things. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals in my trading signal group, which has been profitable so far, like 60-70% win rates, then check out the link in the pinned comment or the description. There are instructions on how to join. Now let's get right into Troy. All right, so Troy, for somewhere, I don't know when, but somewhere they actually changed to some sort of a play to earn and gaming project. I'm not sure when. I still remember when Troy last year spiked up quite a bit, a couple of times. Here, yeah, in April, I still remember that quite well that we rallied there. But then they were still like a more of a financial product, and now they've actually gone to Troy War, a new kind of tower defense blockchain game. Which, just to be honest, I don't think it's an amazing game. I don't think that it has a lot of production value, but it seems that it caused some bullish momentum. And apart from that, and that's also why I think this move is still partially manipulated, even though this is a great announcement for the project itself, I think the product itself is not that amazing. Obviously, a lot of hard work and time went into that, so I don't want to nullify it, but it's not as big as some other blockchain games I know that are being developed right now. But alright, that brought us up to where we are right now. Right now, the game is actually live. If you want to play it, go to troywar.com. It's not advertised, but if you want to see what it looks like, check that out. Usually what happens is that cryptos are bullish when news is going to come or that something is going to be released, and it will become bearish as soon as it has been released. That's also what I expect with Troy. I mean, the main thing we would want to see is a move up to 0.66 and 0.68 cents. Is that possible? Yes. Well, we're still above like 0.52 cents. That's still possible. What I expect though is that we'll drop down to 0.52 cents. That will find support there, but that it's just a matter of time before we drop down to 4.8 or 0.48 cents. And that will continue our move down all the way to, I think, this level right here between 0.45 and 0.4 cents. And at some point, I actually do think we'll be able to get some sort of a second rally with Troy. That's a phenomenon that I think a lot of you know about, where that if a coin rallies a lot the first time, it can also rally again at some strong support. And at this point of time, it looks to me like that strong support is going to be 0.45 cents. But I'll monitor it closely. I mean, I'm not sure right now. It also depends on how we react to 0.52 cents. As I said, it's still possible to get up to 0.68 and 0.66 cents. It just seems very, very unlikely to me at this point of time. What would need to happen for that is just from any level right here, we would need to break above 0.6 cents. That's the only thing. If we do that, we're going up there. But it's also up to you to kind of think about and to analyze whether you think that's realistic. I don't. But that's just my take. That's my view on things. I could be wrong, but this is my take on Troy for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.